Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to create an accordion sections without using any third-party libraries in Angular. So this is the demo of what we are going to create. So if you see here, we have rendered multiple sections. So this is the accordion, which consists of the child sections, and this is the plus icon. Once user clicks on this, the icon will be changed and the description will be shown to the user. And if he clicks on this, this will be description and it will be shown to the user. And if he clicks on this section again, it will be closed. So in this way we can show and hide the description of this accordion without using any third-party library. So we will be doing it in the simple steps. For this I have created a project called test_proj, and in this the source folder consists of app component, and inside the app component we will be having a child component. This is called accordion child. So we will be writing our code in this app component and our child component. So let us see how to do that practically. So first I am going to my app component.ts, where I am going to create an array which consists of title and description objects. So which consists of title and description inside the object. So data equal to, this is an array which consists of objects, and the title will be section 1. So you can get this dynamically from your API, or you can have some JSON file to get that. And the description I have copied from somewhere and placed it here. I am copying the same thing. I will change these sections. This is section 2 and this is section 3. Let us save this. Now we will render this data in our app component.html. Inside this I am going to take some div, and inside this div I am going to render my data. So this is the main div, and inside this is the child div, and here I am going to use ngFor in order to loop the data. So let list of data, and I will show this title to check whether it's working or not. List.title. Let us save this. Now we will head back to our browser. I think it got compiled successfully. Yeah, it got compiled successfully. Let us head back to our browser. It is getting refreshed. So we should be able to get the titles. So you can see here we have got these sections, section 1, 2 and 3. Now we will apply some styles to these sections. So I will create some styles here, and I will copy this and paste in my CSS file. So it will be better to show this here itself. And I am going to this div, and here I am going to add some styles called maximum width will be somewhat 600 pixels, and margin will be 2 rem auto. So now I am going to copy this and paste these styles inside my app.css by creating some class here. So this will be accordion main. Now I am copying this and paste here. Inside the HTML I am going to create a class with the name accordion main. So let us save this. Now we have to use this child component template name and paste here, and we will send this list title and description to our child component. So inside the child component .ts we have selector, and I am going to copy this selector, and inside this HTML we have something called child. So we have to copy this and paste it in our app component.html. So let us save this. Now we should be able to get the child component HTML multiple times in our browser. So we have got this, it's working fine. Now we will send this app component.html data to our child component. Here I am going to take data equal to list, and inside our child component.ts I am going to use @input. We have already imported this data column any. Now we will get this list data to our child component. So in order to render this, I am going to child component.html, and inside this I am going to take a div and into this div I am going to take two divs. One is for title and another is for description. So let us save this. Now I will be getting the data dot title and here I will get and render description. So let us save this. Now we will be able to get the title and description in our child component. So we have got this some error. Type something. So we have missed some parentheses, I think. Yeah. So it is compiling. So we have got this section title and description which is coming from our child component. Now we will add some more things. So here I am going to take two divs. One is for this title and the other is for icons. So we have to show this plus and minus icons dynamically. For this we should need some boolean value. So this will be based on our click. So first I am going to create a boolean value inside a child component, that is true equal to false. Now based on the user click handle click, this boolean value will be changed. So inside our child component, once user clicks on this div, this event will be fired. So handle click function will be called, and based on this boolean value we have to show the icons. So you can customize these icons. So let us save this, and the next one is, once user clicks on this, we should hide and show this description. For this I am going to use ngIf equal to is true. So let us save this and head back to our browser. So we will be able to get the sections. Now once user clicks on this, we will be able to get the descriptions. Now we will apply the styles to these sections, title and description. So this is our last step. I am going to my console, and here I will apply display it as flex, and the flex direction will be row, and I am going to apply justify content as space. If you apply space around, you will be getting the spacing between the either side of the section, and if you apply it as space between, we will get the space only between the data. Now I am going to apply other style called cursor as pointer. So once you see here, once we keep our cursor on this title, we will be able to change the icon of this cursor, and I am going to apply background color and color will be white, font weight will be bold, I will apply some padding here, 2 pixels, sorry 2% will be better, and I will apply some border to this, 1 pixel solid. That's it. Let us copy this and paste it in our application CSS file, and we will apply this style to the description as well. Background color will be that's it. Let us copy this one as well and paste it in our CSS file. So I will paste that, and I will show this entire UI again. You can see here I have created this class as title, and here it will be description, and I have placed our styles what I have created in the console and pasted here in the title and description. And let us head back to our browser. You can see here, in this way we can create our accordion section without any third-party library in Angular. So if you like this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.